I shall now proceed to invite our chairperson, Mrs. Nirmala Lakshman, to address you all. Thank you.
Esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Hardeep Singh Puri, Honorable Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas, Government of India, distinguished guests, our remarkable change makers, colleagues from the Hindu group, Raghuveer Srinivasan, our wonderful editor, and friends. It gives me immense joy to welcome you all to the 7th edition of the Business Line Changemaker Awards, an evening dedicated to celebrating those rare individuals and organizations who remind us that change does not always arrive with noise and fanfare, but often begins quietly with a dream, a spark, and a single step. The change makers we recognize tonight embody the spirit of transformation. They are not always the loudest voices in the room. More often, they are the ones who persevere in silence, driven by intent, by courage and conviction. Through their courage, they create ripples that touch numerous lives, reshape communities, and sometimes even alter all our collective future. As chairperson of the Hindu group, I'm deeply proud to represent an organization built on 147 years of truth, trust, and credibility. From the newsroom to the last mile of delivery, our responsibility has remained the same: to inform accurately, empower thoughtfully, and inspire meaningfully. With Business Line, we've carried this mission into the world of business journalism. Over the years, it's become a trusted voice, offering incisive market analysis, sectoral insights, and perspectives that help decision makers, entrepreneurs, and policymakers navigate a rapidly changing world. Today, with 16 print editions, over 8 lakh readers, and a digital footprint crossing 3 million unique users monthly, Business Line continues to engage deeply with those who are shaping India's economic and social future. This evening, we honor visionaries who have dared to challenge convention and reimagine what is possible. They include innovators redefining industries, leaders transforming communities, and organizations whose impact goes far beyond balance sheets. Each one of them shows us that change is not about grand declarations. It's about consistent action, persistence against odds, and the courage to believe in a better tomorrow. The Business Line Changemakers Award stands as a tribute to such reliance and determination and vision. May the stories we celebrate tonight inspire us all to look into a world differently, to act with responsibilities, and to remember that the most powerful changes often begin quietly. I'd like to thank the members of the jury and all of them who are stalwarts in their own sphere of life, who made time and effort and took us through this entire process and independently arrived and chose the wonderful winners of this evening. I'd like to also thank all my colleagues in Business Line who have also spent time and effort, and not only in this evening's function, but also consistently holding aloft the flag of Business Line. More than anything, let me also thank Raghuveer Srinivasan for his excellent leadership, for his commitment, his persistence, and his vision in making Business Line what it is. Congratulations to all our nominees and winners. And let me leave you with the timeless words of Mahatma Gandhi: be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you very much. And thank you again for the Honorable Minister to have attended this evening.